show you all the excursions that we're gonna do. We'll show you Alaska the best we can. We found our room. It was a wild day. Here we go. So we're in the back of the ship. Door is locked. Nice. Nice and spacious. Let's see what, oh my. Look at this. There is only one plug for the entire cabin. I got this off Amazon. I'll put a link in the below. It gives us 3 plugs and 4 USBs. And let me tell you, this is a must when you're on the Princess ship. An absolute must. Get a good look at the gym. This will be the only time you see it. This is not for me. Might be for you. It ain't for us. So today is a sea day, and it's extremely windy. Blue skies, but cold and windy. Hey, there's my other half.
Hi.
Let's go explore the top level and
On
freeze.
the sea legs.
We're gonna eat at Allegro.
Here we go. This is the electric slide.
No, I'm gonna screw it up. We're gonna eat at Alfredo's, which is a pizza place. And it happens to be in the center where they're gonna teach everybody the electric slide.
5, 6, 7, and drink
Dinner and a show. Chill up top, order some coffee, and lay out in the sun. It feels pretty good. Alright, let's talk about the medallion. So, when you're on the Princess, you get a medallion. This little Scott hat. There it is. You have a medallion, and you get a lanyard. I didn't want to wear a lanyard, so on Amazon, I ordered on my watch. It was like $10 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. ordered coffees. We're gonna see if they can find us. Success.
It worked.
We were found.
Propelling the fluke is a peduncle. It's a huge muscle. In fact, it's the largest muscle in the animal kingdom. Some of the babies haven't quite developed their peduncle yet, and so when they breach, instead of coming up in the air, majestically turning and splashing down, they sort of just go. The best spot to see whales right now is Juneau.
Good morning from Ketchikan. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning. We had room service delivered and we're gonna look at this wonderful scenery, have some breakfast, and go on an excursion. A rainforest hike with some eagles and bears. Don't step in the bear poop. Everybody's taking pictures. Something's happening. We saw a bear!
Black bears.
Adorable. Success. We're gonna go see some raptors. With baby raptors. I'm in love. Holy shnikes, I can't wait to go in there. Oh my god, look at her. It's 60 degrees, full sun. Apparently it's rare here in Ketchikan. And I am a cool, crisp wind.
Feels good.
Of course he does. You'll probably want to put a little bit thicker of a jacket on.
Apparently they get 3 times more rain here than Seattle, so not a lot of sunny days. We got lucky. Very sunny and pretty today. Goodbye, Ketchikan. You were gorgeous. Why do I look all bundled up? Not that cold. We're waiting for the whales. So the boat is supposed to slow down about 7:30, which is about a half an hour. And we're supposed to go through whale section. So we got our blankies. We're gonna order some hot chocolate. We're ready to see some whales. You're a little excited. Very excited. Wow, our first 2 whales. Fins out and everything. Not fins, what are they called? Flukes. Flukes out and everything.
I think she's just